Welcome to our video on beautiful mother-daughter matching dress designs. There's something truly special about coordinating outfits with your little one, creating a heartwarming bond that reflects love, unity, and style. Whether it's for a casual day out, a festive celebration, or a glamorous event, matching dresses make for adorable and memorable fashion moments. Mother-daughter outfits have been trending for years, and the charm of twinning never fades. These matching outfits can be found in various styles, from elegant gowns to casual dresses, making it easy to find the perfect look for any occasion. Designers and brands have embraced this trend, offering a variety of fabrics, patterns, and styles that complement both mother and daughter beautifully. For casual outings, matching floral dresses or flowy summer frocks are a popular choice. These designs are comfortable, lightweight, and perfect for a sunny day in the park or a fun shopping trip. Pastel shades, soft cotton fabrics, and playful prints enhance the cheerful vibe of these dresses, making them ideal for both comfort and fashion. When it comes to festive occasions, mother-daughter matching outfits bring an extra touch of elegance. Whether it's a wedding, a birthday party, or a cultural event, matching ethnic wear like lehengas, saris, or anarkalis can make both mother and daughter stand out beautifully. These outfits often feature intricate embroidery, sequins, and luxurious fabrics like silk or chiffon, adding grace and sophistication to the look. For formal events, long gowns with coordinated colors and designs can create a stunning effect. Whether it's a black tie event or a family gathering, mother-daughter gowns with lace detailing, ruffles, or satin finishes give a regal touch. Some designers even offer custom-made dresses where the mother's gown is an elegant version of the daughter's playful dress, ensuring that both look stylish yet age-appropriate. Matching casual outfits like denim dresses, jumpsuits, or coordinated t-shirts with skirts are also a fun way to twin with your little one on a daily basis. These outfits add an effortless charm to any day, making simple moments feel extra special. Comfortable yet trendy, they are perfect for travel, weekend getaways, or just a cozy day at home. For seasonal fashion, winter matching outfits like cozy sweaters, knit dresses, and coordinated jackets can make both mother and daughter look adorable while staying warm. Similarly, for beach vacations, matching swimsuits or breezy maxi dresses in tropical prints bring a fresh and fun vibe. One of the best parts of wearing matching outfits is capturing beautiful moments together. Thank you for watching our video on mother-daughter matching dress designs. We hope you found inspiration for your next twinning outfit. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fashion ideas and trends. See you in the next video.